Hello guys and welcome to Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. So guys, today I will show you the second tutorial of Binance. We started with Binance with my first tutorial. You can see it here on my videos. I will give a link here in my description. The basics, how can you act with Binance. Binance is a very easy platform and very easy to use, and I would like to show it to you how easy it is. Today our main thing is to talk about stop loss. Stop buy, stop sell. That's the important thing for today I would like to show you. So guys, here is a little Binance trading conto from me. It's a training thing, and I can show you some things here. You can see here I have no open orders and something like this. You can see here I can place an order. I showed you on the last time how to place the market orders. Today I will show you how to place the very important stop. The stop limit is one of the important things you can make. So guys, how can you make this? Let's think about that. Here is the Bitcoin chart. Here is the Bitcoin USDT chart from TradingView. You can see here is Bitcoin momently on 49,390. Okay, you can see here was a low, here was a low, and here was a low. I can draw here a line. That's very nice. That's my support here, and I am on the 5-minute chart. Okay, guys, that's it. So, in my opinion, if I would like to trade here something, I can say, no, I am not buying here because that's too high for me. I will buy here on this line, but I would like to go to sleep, to go outside, or do something like what I would like to do, and I would like to have that Binance will buy automatically here for me. So what do I do now? I am not making a market buy here at 49,350. No, I would like that Binance will buy here at 48,950. So I will set stop limit, then important buy, not sell. No, I would buy, stop limit, and that's the thing now. That's very important for you guys. The stop should be here on this point, 48,950. 48,950. And now it's the limit, and that's, I think it's a little bit confusing. I would like to tell you the limit is for me now. I would like to try 49,970. What does that mean, guys? Sorry, not 49, 48. 40. What I am typing here? Sorry, again. So you can see the stop is on 48,950. My limit is on 48,970. That means the price has must come down to 48,950, and then my automatic order will buy everything up to 48,970. So maybe the price will spike down to 50, and it's going up very quickly to 51, 52, 60, 65, and my order will buy automatically everything up to 70. So it could be that my order that will buy all here at 50, or maybe one Bitcoin at 950, one Bitcoin at 955, and so on and so on. That's the limit. You have to know something, guys. If you are making this limit bigger, maybe to 990, it's more possible to buy automatically, because if you are spiking down very fast and it's going up again to 59, 59.1, 59.2, you are not in the trade. You will not buy. So this is the limit. It's very important for you to set this limit. And the important thing is, guys, you always buy with this 990. That's the thing. So if you set a limit with 48,990, you will not buy 48,951, 48,952. No, you're always buying with 48,990 as long as you are in the range from the stop and the limit. I hope I could explain it to you with my bad English. So once more, my limit is on 48,950. Bitcoin will come down to 48,950. Perfect. I will say stop by 48,950. Buy now with the limit, and the limit would buy with 48,990. Everything from 48,951 to this. Okay, guys, that's the very important thing. If I would like to sell automatic, if I would like to sell, I will take here a parallel channel, maybe for this, from here to the upside to this. This is a parallel channel for me. And so I would like to go to sleep. I don't like to sell here in the marketplace for now. I would like to sell if the price will maybe reach this point here, 41,200. So I would like to go to sleep, and automatic Binance should sell here on this point, 41,200. I would make a sell, I would make a stop limit, I would write here in the stop limit 51,200, and my limit is always lower as this, so 41,100. As you can see, my stop is 51,000. I don't know. I have 51,200 is my stop, and my limit is 51,100. If Bitcoin will reach this limit, the 51.2, it will automatic sell with this price 51.1. So that's the important thing. That's the stop limit. And for me, it's very important if I am buying something to have a stop limit. Because if I said I'm going to sleep and I would like to buy here to this point, and Bitcoin is going more and more down and down and down and down, I'm in the trade. So for me, it's important to set a stop limit always there under my buy point. So if I'm buying here at this price with the market, I would sell a stop limit under this uptrend. That's very important, because with this stop limit, I'm saving me, because a deeper pump is always possible. So if this maybe is a downtrend and I'm not watching this, that this is a downtrend, I think, no, it must go up from here and I'm buying from here, I have always to use a stop limit under this, guys. That's the important thing. And always think about that. The limit must be big enough to the stop, so you can make sure you are getting out from here. A lot of people are very angry if they can't go out from here, if it spikes down really fast and the limit was too close and you can't go out of the trade. That's so important, guys. That's the main thing about Binance and the stop limit. The main thing I would like to show you for trading. That's tutorial number 2. I hope I could tell it to you clearly in my bad English, that you know now what is a stop limit and what is a sell stop limit and what is a buy stop limit. One thing more I would like to show you very fast. It's here, this thing, that are the orders. So if I will make a buy limit now, let's take here this place to buy 48,700. I would like to make a buy 48,700. My limit to buy is 48,800. So that's my limit, and I would like to buy Bitcoin 0.001. That's my thing I would like to buy, and I'm saying it's buy now. So you have always an order confirmation here. That's very important. Read this. Is it correct what you like to do, what you like to want? Read it. You see it here. The stop is 48.7. The limit is 48.8. I have 0.001 Bitcoin that are 48 US dollar. And you read this line. It's very important always to read it. I made a lot of mistakes here. If the last price drops to or below 48.7, an order to buy 0.001 Bitcoin at the price of 48.8 will be placed. And I am saying, yes, I'm confirmed. And now you can see it here, and that's so cool. You can see it here in your trading view. This line is our buy order here. You can see it. That's very nice. A buy order, you can see it here, the profit limit order, and you can see it here in the trading view. And you can see it here also on open orders. You can see the time, you can see the pair Bitcoin versus US dollar. You can see is this a take profit or is this a sell. You can see here now it's a buy, not a sell. You see the price, you see the amount, you see how much is filled. Because as I told you, as it spikes down really fast, maybe not all of this may get filled. Here's the total and here's the trigger condition. The trigger condition is the price. What I said, that's my stop. That is my condition. What I'm telling, Bitcoin must come to this price 48.7, and then at this condition I am buying 48.8. And here I can say cancel, and if I will make this, my open order is out. I have still no open orders and I have no buy and nothing happened here. So that's a easy way to make automatic buy, to make automatic sell, and to make a stop loss for your order. That's very important, guys. So that's enough for tutorial number 2, how to set stop loss limits, stop buy, stop sell limits on Binance. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will follow with videos with tutorial number 3 with Binance soon. Guys, make it good, have a good time, make millions with trade, keep calm, and have a nice time. Greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant.